Sweeties. These are sweeties. Sweeties. This is the stadium. The Olympic Stadium. Sweeties. How are you today? These are all the sweeties. These are all the sweeties that we have bought for the train. This is half eaten. This is the Olympic Stadium for 2012. As you can see, this bit there that is now in the camera is the actual big thing. Then the thing that's about to come up is the swimming stadium. Who don't try to sound so posh. That's and then going to be a mini version of Westfield. I can zoom in. I'm going to zoom into the swimming pool for you. Oh no, I got the wrong way. Oh, you can't see it. The wall has covered it up. Oh, here we go, it's going down now. You'll be able to see it in a moment, hang on. Here we go. That is the swimming section. Do you know what people do in the swimming section? They swim. Really zoomed in. Okay, stadium, swim pool, stadium, swim pool. Oh, that would be me. Bye. Bye.